I could float without wings, touch the sky, feel the sunlight kiss my face, fly through space. If I knew it would bring me close to you. Sing your name out loud through the crowd. If I knew it would bring me close to you. For the open door, but you know what to say to keep me here. Feelings always left unheard. I'm hanging on your words that aren't sincere. Trapped by reality, freed by my imagination. The sky is my remedy, but with you there's always a ceiling. No reason to stay, but every reason to know that if you don't love me, you should let me go. You should let me go. Surface, I know, 'cause you like pretty things. You could never understand me. You've never seen the colors of my wings. You don't know what you want, but you know just what you're doing. Your back is facing front. Is that why when I'm moving, I leave you satisfied, but you leave me still wanting? If you don't let me fight, then you should let me go. You should let me go. Let me go. me go.